Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Forms integrations with AppSheet step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. Log in using your Google account if you haven't already. Locate the form you wish to integrate with AppSheet. Click on the form to open it. In the top right corner, look for the three vertical dots, also known as the More menu. Click on the More menu. From the drop-down, select Add-ons. In the Add-ons menu, type AppSheet in the search bar. Once you find AppSheet, click on it to open its details. Click the Install button to add AppSheet to your Google Forms. Follow the prompts to allow the necessary permissions for AppSheet. After installation, return to your Google form. Click on the Add-ons icon in the top right corner. Select AppSheet from the list of installed add-ons. A sidebar for AppSheet will appear on the right side of your screen. In the AppSheet sidebar, click on Create New App, choose whether to start from your data or use a template. If starting from your data, select the Google form you are currently working with. AppSheet will automatically pull in your form's data. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your app. Adjust the settings as needed, including design and functionality. Once satisfied with your app, click on the Save button. Your Google Forms integration with AppSheet is now ready to use. You can access your AppSheet app anytime by going to the AppSheet website. Remember to check for updates and new features in AppSheet regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.